Hi, I'm Doessel, MyCRA specialist credit repair lawyers in Brisbane, founder and CEO. We're the only law firm in the entire country that works exclusively in the area of removing defaults, inquiries, judgments and repayment history information. Just on the way to the Gold Coast for a conference, and I thought I'd give you a quick heads up on what the most satisfying part of my job is. For me, it's letting the client know that we've got the creditor to agree to remove the default. There's a lot of myth and BS in credit repair, how it actually works. And the only way to legally remove a default is to prove that it hasn't been listed correctly in the first place. Otherwise you'd wreck the credit reporting system, and that's really important for the financial stability of the country, making sure the right people have the right loans. So to me, it's getting on the phone. If you look at my YouTube channel or our testimonials page on the website, you'll see a lot of video testimonials there where we've spoken to a client, learnt their scenario, learnt their situation, and then in the few rare occasions that I've personally been able to call the client back personally to tell them that the default's been removed, that's what makes what we do worth it. There's a lot of hard work that goes into convincing a creditor that you haven't paid, that they have to remove the default. And we'd rather do it nicely than nasty, but we'll do whatever we need to do to get that default removed. You pay us to do a job, we'll do that job. And it's a massive sense of satisfaction to be able to, number one, convince the creditor to remove the default against their better judgment, and two, to be able to call you back and say, hey guys, we've got good news. You can actually go ahead and get your home loan. Go back to your broker and get your home loan, because the default is scheduled for removal in 1 day, 10 days, whatever the case might be. So that to me is what makes our job, doesn't matter how hard it gets, that's what makes it worth it. It's a nice feeling. And watch our videos, watch our testimonials. You'll see what it means. Thanks for that. See ya.